Trying to figure out what to bring to your next family cookout, but worried about dietary restrictions? Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just a crowd with a mixed food preferences, you're in the right place. These four side dishes are easy to customize for any diet. Just pick your favorite pasta and mayo and you're good to go. First up is the veggie pasta salad. Fresh, colorful, and packed with crunchy veggies. It's the perfect make-ahead dish that tastes even better the next day. Here's what you'll need. Gluten-free elbow pasta, plant-based mayo, red onion, celery, carrots, sweet peppers, sweet gherkin pickles, apple cider vinegar, and salt. First things first, let's get the pasta cooking. Bring a pot to boil and add a teaspoon of salt. Cook your pasta according to the package directions. Mine will take 8 minutes. You want to stir gluten-free pasta frequently to prevent sticking. Just be careful not to overcook. Gluten-free pasta has a tendency to fall apart when overcooked. Once it's perfectly cooked, drain it and cool it down with some cold water. This will stop the cooking process. Then set aside for now. While the pasta is cooling, let's prep our veggies. Start by chopping up the red onion. You really can use any onion you have on hand. Now clean and chop your celery. Celery adds that bitter crunch to that salad. Next, slice your carrots into bite-sized pieces. For this recipe, I'm using baby carrots. Now let's prep the cute little sweet peppers for a little crunch. I like to cut the stems on the end, remove the seeds, and then slice and chop into bite-sized pieces. Finally, drain the juice from the jar and slice your sweet gherkin pickles. This will add that sweet kick. Now let's portion out that plant-based mayo, and then add the apple cider vinegar. Now it's mixing time. In a large bowl, combine all the ingredients: pasta, mayo, red onions, celery, carrots, sweet peppers, pickles, and vinegar. Mix it all up until everything is well coated and delicious. I love using my 16-inch stainless steel bowl to mix all my salad side dishes. It really gives you that room to thoroughly mix the salads. Transfer your pasta salad into a container and pop it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This will let all those amazing flavors melt together. And there you have it, a vibrant gluten-free vegan pasta salad that's perfect for any cookout. Next is my Southwest pasta salad. This one brings bold flavor, a little zing, and just the right amount of creaminess. It's always the first bowl to disappear at the party. Here's what you'll need: gluten-free bow tie pasta, black beans, corn, cherry tomatoes, sweet peppers, black olives, shallots or red onions, olive oil, a packet of taco seasoning, lime juice, and chopped cilantro. First, we're using this amazing gluten-free brown rice pasta. It got that perfect al dente bite and holds up beautifully to add both flavors we're about to mix in. Make sure to mix the brown rice pasta frequently. It has a habit of sticking together. Once it's perfectly tender, drain it and give it a quick rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. This helps keep the pasta firm and ready for our tasty ingredients. While our pasta is cooling down, let's get to the fun part, prepping our fresh veggies. We've got black beans, corn, and juicy tomatoes ready to go. Now let's prep the cute little sweet peppers for a little crunch. I like to cut the stem end, remove the seeds, and slice, then chop into bite-sized pieces. Next up is the black olives for that salty kick. I decided to slice them in half to evenly distribute them through the salad. You can leave them whole or buy them pre-cut. Now I'm chopping the shallots for that zingy bite. I prefer shallots over onions because onions have been bothering my stomach lately. Feel free to add your favorite onion over shallots for this recipe. And of course, we can't forget about the cilantro. A fresh chopped cilantro is going to bring that classic Southwest flavor that ties everything together. Now let's talk sauce. We're keeping it simple but packed with flavor. In a small bowl, mix a packet of taco seasoning with extra virgin olive oil and juice from a half a lime. This sauce is going to coat our pasta salad and infuse every bite with that tangy, spicy goodness. Time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled pasta with all the gorgeous veggies. Pour over your zesty sauce and give it a good mix until everything is evenly coated. I love using my 16-inch stainless steel bowl to mix all my salad side dishes. Now here's the hard part, waiting. Pop that beautiful bowl of Southwest pasta salad in the fridge for about 30 minutes and let all the flavors melt together. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Alright, it's time to dig in. The pasta salad is bursting with flavor, texture, and color. Perfect for that summer barbecue, a quick lunch, or just a light dinner. It's so good, you'll be coming back for seconds, maybe even thirds. Now let's make a classic, potato salad, with a plant-based twist. Creamy, tangy, and full of flavor, no one will guess it's dairy-free and egg-free. Here are the ingredients we will need for our vegan potato salad. Russet potatoes, diced sweet peppers, diced celery, diced carrots, 1 shallot, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, a half a cup of vegan mayo, 1 tablespoon of dill, which is optional, 1 tablespoon of a vegetable blend, and salt and pepper. First, peel your potatoes. You could use a russet, Yukon Gold, or red potatoes for this recipe. Next, chop them into evenly sliced pieces. This will help them cook evenly. Put the potatoes in a pot and bring the water to boil. Cook them until a fork goes through them easily. This process should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the potatoes are tender, drain them in rinsed cold water to stop the cooking process. Pop them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to cool down completely. While the potatoes are chilling, let's prep our veggies. Dice 1 shallot, 1 cup of sweet peppers, 1 cup of celery, and 1 cup of carrots. Now that our potatoes are cool, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, add the cooled potatoes, diced shallot, sweet relish, carrots, celery, and sweet peppers. Next, add a half a cup of vegan mayonnaise. For extra flavor, you can add 1 tablespoon of dill and 1 tablespoon of a vegetable blend, but these are optional. Add your favorite mixed seasoned blend. Mix everything thoroughly until the potatoes and veggies are well coated with mayo and seasoning. And there you have it, a creamy, delicious vegan potato salad that's ready to be served immediately. Perfect for picnics, barbecues, or as a side dish of any meal. And finally, we got the coleslaw. Cool, crisp, and refreshing. The simple side adds a crunchy balance to any summer spread. Here's what you'll need: a package of coleslaw mix, vegan mayo, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and salt. First, pour the whole coleslaw mix into a colander and rinse it under cold water. This helps to freshen up the cabbage mixture. Once it's rinsed, set it aside and let it dry. Next, grab the mixing bowl. Add the vegan mayonnaise, pure maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and salt. Mix everything together until it's well combined. This will be our creamy and tangy dressing for the coleslaw. Now add the coleslaw mix to a bowl. Then add the dressing. Blend it all together until the coleslaw is evenly coated with the dressing. It's already looking so delicious. To let the flavors melt together, put the coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. And there you have it, a super simple vegan coleslaw that's ready to enjoy. It's perfect for picnics, barbecues, or as a side dish to any favorite meals. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more yummy recipes, and let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Check my website for full printable recipes, and most of the products and ingredients I used are linked in the description below. And I'll see you next time.